lace when we down low. When you give me that cocoa, handcuff me like popo. I'm like, oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. 3 weeks has passed since I got my hair straightened, and it is time to go back to my curls. My hair is already starting to revert back, and I haven't pressed it or straightened it again since I left the hair shop. So that's the only time that I had heat put on my hair. And I've been loving this color, guys. As you can see, it's already like starting to grow out. So that's definitely exciting because that means my hair is growing already. My hair, you guys, has grown so much. Like, it grew so much. Now, the last time that I had my color, my hair straightened, it was about 10 months ago, maybe about 9 or 10 months ago. Like, my curls did not revert back right away. It took me some months to get my curls back on track. What I did differently this time is I made sure that I paid attention to the products that I was using prior to my hair appointment. I think my hair was just lacking that protein moisture balance, so my curls did revert back, and I'm gonna link the video down below, but it took me a lot to get them back. But I do have a video where I show like my favorite products I use to bring my curls all the way back. But let me show you guys the products that I used before I went to my hair appointment. So the first product that I used was from Shea Moisture. So this is their Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment. And this is to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. So I use this as a pre-treatment. You can use it as a deep treatment or a pre-treatment before you shampoo. So I decided to use it like that. I do have a full review on my channel of this line that I received, so I'll link it below. I definitely recommend this product. I really like this product, and I could tell that it strengthened my hair. So to shampoo and condition, I use the Ancient Egyptian line from Main Choice. I really love this duo. Like, I've been using these products for a while now. The deep treatment that I used was from the Main Choice line as well. I'm gonna do, you guys, before I even get in the shower to shampoo, I'm going to do a hot oil treatment. I'm debating if I want to wet my hair first before I apply my oil. That's the way that I typically do my hot oil treatments. I'm gonna use water because I think it might penetrate my hair better. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle too.
I'm not interested in your money. I'm more interested in the things you do. It's like they made you for my body. The way I fit so perfectly with you. Straight lace when we down low. When you give me that cocoa, handcuff me like popo. I'm like, oh no. You doing it alright. You blind me like flashlight. You sexy like all night, all night. Boy, you're so wavy, wavy. And I'm standing here like, take me home. Boy, you're so wavy, wavy. And I'm standing here like, take me home. Take me home, 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 home,
I allowed the hot oil treatment to work its magic overnight, and now I'm ready to shampoo. The shampoo that I will be using is the Pureology Serious Color Care Hydrate Shampoo. Is the conditioner from the Pureology line, and once again, this is their Hydrate line. Lastly, I will be finishing off with, this is from the Shea Moisture Jamican Black Castor Oil line.
All night, boy, you're so wavy, and I'm standing here like, take me.
This shampoo is thick and creamy and provides a great clean without stripping my hair.
Take me home, take me home, boy, you're so wavy, and I'm standing here now. Take me home. Boy, you're so wavy, and I'm standing here now. Take me home. Take me home.
This conditioner has a very refreshing mint scent that feels so good on my scalp. And this scent is just so refreshing. It makes me feel like I'm at a spa.
Are we dreaming?
I have completely rinsed out the deep treatment, and I left my deep treatment in for several hours, so I just left it in to let it do its magic. And this is my hair product free.
Say what you want, say what you want, say what you want, say what you
And I am so happy to see my curls bounce right back.
say what you want, say what you want.